So hello everyone, and thank you for joining. We have an information-packed session prepared for you, and we will also have a question period at the end of the session. And today, I'm really happy to introduce this collaboration we have with the RICOH TotalFlow BatchBuilder and Ultimate Impostrip. And so the agenda today, we will first go through the brief introduction, which I have done already, as well as present some of the main benefits of the combined solution. We will then move to a presentation of the RICOH TotalFlow BatchBuilder solution, as well as Ultimate Impostrip, and then move to a live demo where we will show an end-to-end application of a book from TotalFlow BatchBuilder all the way to Ultimate Impostrip and to print.